Hi my honeys, Erica here, and I have a fabulous DIY video for you guys today, and it is this dresser. I hacked an Ikea Hemnes dresser and made it this beautiful channel quilted dresser using foam. That's right. If you want to see how I made this beautiful, glamorous dresser, keep on watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and ring the bell to be notified of future videos to come. Thank you all so much. Hi my honeys, I hope you're ready for the most epic IKEA dresser hack ever. I started out with this IKEA Hemnes dresser that I got on sale for 199 bucks, and then I grabbed a hot glue gun, Gorilla glue sticks, removable wallpaper in a fun print. I used clear wall paint in the color Wing It, and these half-round foam dowels from Michael's craft store. I guess they're used for cosplay, but they'll work great for this project. I started out by painting the dresser the exact same color as the wall, Claire Paint's Wing It. And the reason for that is because it's a really small room, and it's our guest room, so it's okay that it's small because really people are just there to sleep. But we really needed the dresser for storage for my husband's clothes, but I didn't want the dresser to look too intrusive into the space. So I decided by painting it the same color as the wall, it would kind of blend in, and it actually did just that. But we're gonna do a really fun architectural treatment on the drawer fronts, which will add some major elegance to it. I start out by painting about 53 foam dowels from Michael's. Wait till they have like a really good coupon so you can get all these dowels for really cheap. And I let those dry outside, and I come back inside to install the removable wallpaper on the bottoms of all the drawers. I just think this is a really fun way to add a print in a space without it overtaking the room. And you can choose any print you want. This banana leaf really went with my Palm Beach hotel vibe that I was going for. I then cut all of the foam dowels after bringing them inside to the height of each of the drawer fronts. Then I lined it up on the drawer front so I can make sure that it lined up properly and that all of my dowels were pretty close to even as far as height goes. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just do your best. I cut them with just a basic kitchen knife. You can use a craft knife as well. And then I started gluing them on one by one with my hot glue gun. I highly recommend Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks because they hold very firmly, but you can peel them off if you damage one and replace it if you need to. Look at this finished drawer front. How cute is this coming out? Are you seeing the kind of channeled quilted idea that I'm going for here? And it kind of matches my headboard and footboard as well. Look, it totally goes with my retro hotel theme. I used the same original holes as the hardware that was there. All I had to do was drill through the foam and attach the hardware, and you just repeat the process of cutting the dowels and hot gluing them on until you're finished. I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. I'm so excited with how it came out. Check it out.